Windows 10, prepare your porthole. I don't know if any of these will work, but by God, I'm gonna try. This came with my graphics card. It was a lot of fun at Doug's place, but I never enjoyed running the tracks in reverse on mine. Oh, this is gonna be good. Is this the one with, no, I don't think that'll work. I tried it before. Look at all this stuff. Whoop whoop. No disc in this one. What the fuck? I'll find it. Some of these I have on Steam, like Monkey Island, and some of them I don't. But after I show you the covers, I'm gonna show you the backs. Look at this. January 2000. I'm so elite. That was 20 years ago. Myth 2 is so good. I hate Bungie for throwing their weight behind Halo and ignoring Myth, because Myth was a far better game than Halo back in the day, and there's already too many first-person shooters. Just imagine if people could plug in keyboards to their Xboxes. Here's the backs of them. There's obviously going to be some repeats because they had some stuff more than once. For the most part, it's all good. Hopefully the resolution and quality is high enough that you can pause it and read these. It's faster to do this by far than typing it out by hand. MDK I used to have a copy of, but I traded it into GameStop. Silly me. Brotherhood of Steel, yeah, that game rocks. Fallout Tactics, man, I love that game. Specifically, I'm looking for this flying game to share with my friend Amy about flying game about like biplanes going through canyons and picking up power-ups. It was pretty fun, and I don't know if I still have the demo disc that it was on, but I'll go through it again and look for it. I was just doing a quick pass this time to get it all on record. I don't know if I want Funhouse to get a hold of this video, because they'll like replace me with a wireframe that goes through and breaks everything. Probably because they're little phone queers, but they're fun anyway. I like them. Anywho, that's it for now. Have fun playing your computers. Always remember the good old days. And 20 years for a demo disc to appreciate in value, I think, is a little appropriate. I don't know what they're worth now. They came with the magazine free. It was like $25 a year for the subscription, and it came with demo discs. But, who knows what they're worth today because they're almost impossible to find online. If I could get all those demo discs loaded and they actually worked, that would be epic. 90% of it's probably not going to work. I probably won't even get the launchers working. But there's so many like discs and drivers and engines and launchers and software packages and all this stuff loaded on them. So many little ancillary programs like Earthlink and Netscape and stuff like that. It's probably good luck if any of those are even still in business. But if they aren't, I'm gonna go through and try to get the fun ones loaded. That's it for now. Goodbye.